Hello, this is English class with Frances. Welcome to your first class with Frances. Our topic for today is on noun. So, what is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or an animal. So, in simple terms, we can say that nouns are naming words. And so, if they are naming words, what are some of the things that they name? And so, from the definition here, they can name a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. Now, let's go for some examples of the things that nouns can name in relation to a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. So, one, a person. An example of a word that can name a person is Mr. Jones. We can also have Anita, soldier, John, Amma, girl. All these refer to people, and so we say that they are names that have been given to people. Then the second one, that is a noun naming places. So we have a place like a market, a church, city, school, Ghana, bank, etc. Then three, we have nouns naming things, words referring to things. Example, wood, book, glass, toy, door, ruler. And we also have that of animals, which are cow, dog, cat, sheep, lion, leopard, snake, and what have you. Now, from this, we know that nouns name persons, places, things, and then animals. But it is not only the case that we have nouns naming persons, places, things, and animals. They can also name other things. And so I'm adding another definition to a noun. And this is it, that a noun can also name an idea, a feeling, a quality, and an activity. I'm repeating again. It is not only the case that nouns are naming people, places, things, and animals. They can also name an idea, a feeling, a quality, and an activity. Now, when we talk about an idea, we are talking about a thought about how to do something, or it can also be an information you have about something, purpose, an intention, or a principle. So all these things are what? Nouns. And examples are to dream, joy, life, fear, peace, love, wisdom, success, talent, comfort, anger, loyalty. All these things are what? Nouns, because they are ideas expressing thoughts, expressing purposes, expressing intentions. I hope you are following. Then the next noun is what? Feeling. When we talk about feeling, something that you feel, feeling of something that you feel through the mind or through the senses. So we can have the sense of smell, the sense of taste, and what have you. So an example is anger. When you are angry, you feel it. Example, dismay, we have pride, we have hatred, we have disgust, we have irritation, resentment, unhappiness, joy. They are all feelings, and they are all what? Nouns. Then we also have that of quality. When we talk about quality, we are looking at how good or bad something is, a feature of something or someone, a characteristic about somebody. They are also nouns. So example is beauty, smart, humility, neat, happiness, intelligence. We also have perseverance, smart, stubbornness, happiness, honesty, and what have you. The last one is on activity. Activity is something that you spend time doing. Activity, something you spend time doing. Example, boxing, swimming, jogging, celebration, etc. I hope you are getting it. So, apart from the old one, apart from the first definition we have on nouns, that they naming persons, animals, places, things, they can also name an idea, a feeling, a quality, and an activity. I hope you have learned something today. Good. Now let's try our hands on this exercise. It's saying identify the nouns and state what it names. As in, what is it referring to? Whether it is a name of a person, a name of a thing, a name of an animal, an idea, a feeling, a quality, and what? An idea. So the first one, swimming is a healthy sport. Swimming is a healthy sport. Number one. Please try and answer it. Number two, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Number three, let me give you some advice. Let me give you some advice. Please try your hands on it. Alright, now let's look at the answers. Number one. Number one says swimming is a healthy sport. What are the nouns in there? We have swimming and we have sport. Remember, we said nouns also name activities. So it is naming an activity. And when we look at swimming, we perform an action. With sport, we also perform actions. So the nouns in here are swimming and sport. And what is naming is what? An activity. Then number two says beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. The noun in here is beauty. Beauty. That is a trait, a characteristic, a feature you have about someone. And then it is naming what? A quality. Good. I hope you got it right. Then the last one, number three, let me give you an advice. Let me give you an advice. So the noun in there is what? Advice. And what is the name? It's naming an idea. When you are giving somebody an advice, it is an opinion, it is a thought, it is something you already know, an experience you have about something and you want to share with the person. So advice is a noun and it is naming an idea. Good. Excellent. I hope you got all three questions right. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.